Hi kids. Kids, we will trace A, B, C, D, E, F. Let's learn colors name: black, blue, red, pink, light green, green, brown, and yellow color. Kids, we are tracing letter A. A. This is letter A. A for apple. Kids, we are tracing capital letter A. A for apple. Kids, this is letter B. B in yellow color. B for bat. Kids, we are tracing letter B. B in black color. Kids, this is letter B. B for ball. Kids, this is letter C. C in orange color. Letter C. C for cat. This is letter C. C in purple color. Kids, this is letter C. C for cat. This is letter D. D in red color. Kids, this is letter D. D for duck. We are tracing letter D. D in blue color. Letter D. D for dog. Letter E. E in sky blue color. This is letter E. E for elephant. Kids, we are tracing letter E. E in brown color. This is letter E. E for eagle. F. F in pink color. Kids, this is letter F. F for fish. F. F in orange color. F. F for frog.